Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are fine. My name is Shashank Sanjay and you're watching Venus Tech India. Today's video is about wait. First watch this. Hey you!
What's up, brother? Hey, how are you? I am doing fine. What are you doing? I am playing with my toys and what is up with you? I am reading an article. Oh, that sounds great. I am bored of this toy. I am leaving to complete my homework. See you. Certainly take care.
So now you will be knowing the topic. So without wasting any time, चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So guys, first of all, you have to make two videos. As you have seen earlier, that video was a combination of these two videos, which I am showing you now. Just a second. This is the first one. So what you have to do, like first you can make a script like this, and like as per your name, like I was Shashank, so like the first Shashank will say this, what's your brother, or anything which you will as you will make your script, and the second will say like this, and it will go like this according to your roles and the script. And like just a second, first you see the video. Hey you!
What's up, brother? I am doing fine. What are you doing?
So now what you've seen, that WhatsApp brother, and I am doing fine. What are you doing? In between, I have given a pause. So like you can only think like after WhatsApp brother, in the second video, the second Shashank will say, "Hey, how are you?" So you will be knowing the duration for how much you have to give a pause. So I was knowing it in mind only. I was speaking the lines of the second one, or like I was knowing that, "Hey, how are you?" will take how much duration, so I am giving the pause like that. So then I'm speaking, I am doing fine. What are you doing? Then the second one is saying, I am playing with my toy gun. And what is up with you? So I'm giving the pause for the duration. The second one is will be speaking in the second video. So I'm giving the pause, like you can only see that I am playing with my toy gun. What is up with you? So you will be knowing the duration. So as according to me, I will give the pause, and then the video will go like this, as you can see here.
I am reading an article.
You can see that I am giving some pause because the second one is speaking here.
Certainly take care.
So this was the last line, as you know. So the first video is then completed, and then you are making the second video. So there will be a difference in second video, like what you have to do, you have to wear a headphone, because like you have to see that what the first role was of mine, the first Shashank. So I'm wearing the headphone, and when he's saying what's up brother, and then after it I'm saying, hey, how are you? And after that he's saying, I am doing fine. What are you doing? So in between I have to wear headphones to speak my line according to my role. So I am I am wearing the in the second video I'm wearing the headphones. So whenever he will speak, what's up brother, and then after I will say, hey, how you? So then he will speak, I am doing fine. What are you doing? Then the second one will say, I am playing with my toy gun. What is up with you? Like this, as you can see here.
Hey, how are you?
Yeah. So now you have heard that that I'm saying, hey, how you? Because in the headphone, when I am like, first of all, when you will make your video, first video, you can send the video to your phone, and from there you can play it and say like this. So in the headphone it's saying, hey, what's up brother, it's saying what's up brother, then I'm speak the second Shashank is speaking, hey, how are you, then he's saying, I'm fine, what are you doing, then according to it, I am according to the script, I'm saying I am playing with my toy gun. So what you have to do, you have to make the script first, and like you have to learn the lines, as it will be more comfortable there, and you will like not take a pause if you will not remember the line, or like if you will be, you have made a script, so you will be knowing the lines and you can say it quickly without any pause or anything. So you have to give a pause according to your role and the script. But I have to say you something, that when you are sending the video to your phone, so your camera, you don't have to move your camera. If you will move your camera in if you will move the camera, like you have made the first video and then you will move your camera, then there will be a hodgepodge, and every, you can't make a clone video, and it will not look nice, and the clone video can't be made. So you have to be careful that you will not move your camera or anything from which you are recording. So I have not moved my camera when I made the first video. Then I have just without moving the camera, I just sent it to my phone, and then I'm and then I wore the headphone, and then I was saying like this. So you would do like this, as you can see. So I was saying like this,
I'm playing with my toy
as
gun.
you can see.
What is up with you?
I'm speaking
Oh, that
according
sounds
to
great.
the script. As you can see, I'm speaking according to the script and giving the pauses, because I'm knowing that I have as the headphone is saying that the space saying the lines of the for Shashank, then according to it I'm speaking the second Shashank's line according to the script and the rule. Again, as you can see. So what you have to do, like in the first video only, you have to maintain the pause, like in the first video you will be not wearing the headphone, because you have not made any video yet. So you will doing the pause according to the role. So I was doing it, so I was knowing that how much time it will take, and then I was in the second video I was speaking according to it, as you can see.
Ah, I'm bored of this toy. I am leaving to complete my homework.
So now you can see that whenever you both videos are completed, then you have to open iMovie, and then you have to click here, create new, and then movie. And you are seeing here that import media, you have to click here, and wherever you have saved your video, you will import it here. Like this is my videos, so I will import it, and then I will place the first video, as you can see here, and I will fix it like that only. So I have to first cut the parts which are not in use, like in the second video, and then split it. No, Control press Z, and then split it where I not needed it. So I deleted this, and then according to your lines you can settle it. As you can see, the I'm fixing it with the help of that voice thing here, as you can see here, and there is a pause, and then it's here, and there is a, then here is a line, and then it's here. As you can see, I will place it according to this. Yeah, it's, I think it's okay. Hey you, you can do fix it. Hey you, yeah, it's right. Now it's right, and then what you will do, click here, and then you will click here, and then you will select green blue screen. And now what you will do, you will click here and place it in between. So guys, as you can see, I have placed this line in between to cut the videos and make it like proper. So as you can see that I have placed it correctly, and then it's done. And then it's done. I'm playing it. See. Hey you! Like it's happening like this.
What's up, brother? Hey, how are you? I am doing fine. What are you doing? I am playing with my toys and what is up with you? I am reading an article. Oh, that sounds great. Ah, I am bored of this toy. I am leaving to complete my homework. See you. Certainly take care.
So as you can see, there is a pause here, so I can split it like this. So guys, you can see that I've cutted the part which I was not needing here, as you can see here, as you know the reason. So it is
Bored of this
perfect.
toy. I am leaving to complete my homework. See you. Certainly take care.
It's perfect. And now you can see there is something, the gun was like blue, but in iMovie it's green blue screen, so it is being transparent, so it's there is no problem because the color of the gun was blue. So we can just adjust the color if we want. Mm, like this. I think I should reset it. There is no need of doing this. I think so. I will reset it. Yeah, reset. And then the video is made. Hey you!
What's up, brother? Hey, how are you? I am doing fine. What are you doing? I am playing with my toys and what is up with you? I am reading an article. Oh, that sounds great. Ah, I am bored of this toy. I am leaving to complete my homework. See you. Certainly take care.
So now it's made. So you can click here to export it, export file, and then you can select 1080p because 1080p is the best. But as I was recording from the MacBook itself, so in that settings I have not selected 1080p to record, so it's 720p. So as you can see, it's made. And then you have to click next, and it will ask you where you want to export it, and you can select the place, desktop, download, anywhere, and you can export it. So guys, these are the ways which you can follow to clone yourself in iMovie. So we will see you in next video. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.